Well, as you guys can see by the title of this video, I came back. I did it. I made around $40,000 today across all of my accounts. So, on Top Step, I made $6,000 across my 5 accounts, as you can see here, copy traded across 5. And then, as you see here on my Lucid accounts, I made $3,500 across all 5 of them. And that adds up to basically $40,000. Um, and for those of you that watched the video yesterday and commented, first of all, I really, really appreciate that. I literally said in that video, like, I'm gonna be fine. And I was on XFAs the night after, and now I'm basically back to um I mean, this is actually a bigger payout that I had. Like last time it was gonna be a 17K payout. There's gonna be a little bit over a 25K payout, which is just ridiculous, man. But I mean, the work that I put in to get this is definitely finally paying off. But I first of all, like before I even go over why I took the trades, I just like want to like give you guys like an appreciation. I love every single one of you guys. You guys are actually the most amazing thing. You guys keep me going. I appreciate it. And I'm excited. I'm able to mentor over 90 people right now for my students. But I seriously do appreciate you guys. Like seriously. And I'm excited to continue growing this community. But let's go over the 3 trades that I took. So last night on the Top Steps, I was very, very bullish during Asia. We had this 15-minute CSD that we had right here. So I was anticipating us to go higher. No reason to go back down lower. We also had an hourly CSD that we created. Hourly fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap as well right here. And I was just looking for some sort of like displacement off of it. Go to the 1 minute, anticipating bullish order flow. We literally hit CE of it. I entered right at CE. I entered at 428 because it was this little breaker block, order block over here that I was looking at as well. So it tapped in perfectly, CE of it. I think 426.25 was my entry. I went to like literally a point of drawdown. And I was on a call with my friend. Shout out Jace. And we took this for about 180 points. I was in there with 2 minis, totaled up to around $6,000 across my 5 Top Step accounts, which was just absolutely like amazing. So that was really, really good to start off the day. That was again before the night even started or the day even started. That was last night, and today was actually a really, really clean Friday. Even though we're kind of playing around in this range, but I was basically looking for some sort of manipulation inside of this 1 hour fair value gap. And I actually missed the initial entry. This was like my level I had, and we went into it by like 8-10 points. It just wasn't enough for me. I wanted to see us dig deeper. I had this like 1 minute fair value gap marked out. We never hit discount of the range. That was also a reason. And we had this 1 minute order block. These were 2 levels I had, and we just didn't hit it. It wasn't enough for me to take the trade. So because we didn't hit it off of that, we had this first presented fair value gap right here. As you can see here, as soon as we tapped into it, I entered and I took it up here about 160 points, which was really, really clean. And then I started to try tight trail. I had another level for shorts up here that we hit. It was an hourly fair value gap paired with liquidity inside of it. And all we did was we swept it and immediately reversed off of it. I entered around 4955 after I hit TP, and I took it down to around like this low. So it was about 100 points. So I caught over 400 points in total. So I took basically like I took a long from first presented up into my short level, and I took a short down to around like the first presented area. And then I mean it was all live traded in front of all my students, and like we absolutely cooked. But I just wanted to make this video and post because like literally back to back videos, you're gonna see like, oh, blew all my accounts, lost a $17,000 payout, and then you're gonna see here I made $40,000 in a single day, my biggest day ever. You're just able to see like how volatile trading is and how quickly you can come back from things, um, and not let things weigh you down. Because why would you want to let something weigh you down when there's awards waiting on the other side of you, when there's money waiting to be made, right? Like the longer you spend moping around, like being sad you lost the accounts is more time you're losing when money's able to be made. So why are we moping around? Get back on the charts, get back on the evals, lock in. There's money to be made. There's always money to be made in these markets, especially how volatile we are. Like today, we literally played around in a 200-point range for about 2 or 3 hours. Like you can make a lot of money from this. And again, I teach over 90 people, but I really just wanted to make this video to show you guys that my comeback. I spoke it into existence yesterday. I literally said, guys, I'm going to do this. I'm gonna be back tomorrow night, and like literally go watch. If you guys haven't watched my last video, go watch it. Low key depressing, but it's fine. Seriously, go watch that video if you haven't. And now, I mean, I'm back and better than I was. Again, like I said, we made a higher low to make a higher high. Yesterday was the higher low. Now we're at the higher high. We broke structure to the upside. All we did was rebalance a fair value gap. Now we're going up. But no, seriously, on a serious note, I appreciate you guys like a lot. I'm just really excited to continue growing this community. We have an amazing community. We have almost 900 people in the Discord now. Very, very good community. And I mean, I don't see anything stopping us in the future. I'll live stream. I stream twice a month for my free viewers. Twice a month for the free section. Obviously, I stream every morning for the mentors, mentees, and the students. But the free section still gets action. I give away 2 accounts per month, or 4 accounts per month. Sorry, 2 in the first week, 2 in the last week. I mean, there's a lot of perks for just being in the Discord, just being in there. So I definitely recommend joining. Everything's gonna be linked in the bio. But again, I just wanted to make this video to show you guys the comeback that I did, and how I had my biggest day ever trading, making $40,000 in a single day. Like it's insane. Like even saying that. But again, I love and appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys.